Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating I call this the Monster Radio. It's a big old heavy radio that was made only for 1970 Chevys. I've seen a couple come out of 71s, but for the most part this is a 70 Chevy AM 8-track. It's been converted to an AM-FM-8 track. And one thing I'll say is on the AM 8-track units, this stereo light lights up when you put a tape in, because back then that was the only stereo source. Well, I always reassign this light to become an FM stereo light, because most customers would rather see when they're on. They just rather have this than the other thing. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I have it set to AM at the moment.
Like Hello White,
just to test the AM real quick.
Explore the AM-FM home quote tool at
Now to go between AM FM, we turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I've got all the presets set to FM stations in my area. So we'll just go down them.
You have somebody in your family.
Alrighty, now we don't use the original front-rear fader because most of them no longer work. They're self-destructed by design. So we have a fader and a balance control in the tone control, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the front-rear fader. We're going to start with our tone control about the center, and we're going to turn our tone control twice to the right to activate the virtual front-rear fader. So let's try that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust. So we're going to switch to our output level meters, and the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way rear, all the way front. Okay, I'm going to try to center the speakers. Okay, and then fader set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn our tone control twice to the left. So once again, I'm going to turn it to about center. So I've got room to turn it, and here we go.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. So now the same control is adjusting our left-right speaker balance. Okay, I'm gonna center it, stop adjusting, and balance set. Okay, let's pop in the tape. Got some Neil Sedaki here, and we'll just leave the meters in place so we can make sure all speakers are working. Okay, go back to the unit. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're between songs here, so okay, no music between tracks means the head's properly adjusted.
When your flags are unfurled, chugging down the track, gotta travel on to you. Get out and circulate.
All right, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Now this has a mechanical eject button, and I don't really recommend using it because these buttons are pretty thin. And, you know, after 50 years of, winter and summer cycles, they become very brittle. And this eject button has a downward slant to it, so when you push it straight in, it's going to want to go downwards. It might snap off. I'll go ahead and use it just so you can see that it works. But just press that button and it lets the tape out to where you can grab it. But I can't believe that they did that in the design. That's just a little bit dangerous for the tape here. As you can see, we've got a light that's just like the original unit. Lights lit until you pop an 8-track tape in there, and then of course the panel lights. Alrighty. Okay, sorry guys, I was a little distracted here. My phone is ringing. Okay, that's a complete test. Let's make sure that our dial lights, I think we already did test that. I think I was distracted by my phone call. There's our dial lights working. So everything is working. She's ready to go back to the customer. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me for repairs or conversions at 928-533-9666. Before calling, I do ask that you go to my website first. That's in the description below. Please learn about my options and prices and all that stuff before calling me. Otherwise, I'll just refer you back to the the website. It's not like it used to be where it was just fix the radio. Now there's so many options and lots of potential dangers too. So you really need to go through my website before you call me, because I just can't remember everything, during a rushed phone call. So once again, this comes from Chuck in the Woodlands, Texas, out of a 1970 Chevy. Thank you very much, Chuck, for your business. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.